Alright guys, we got the lights on. So let's go ahead and show you that we can change different colors. So we can make different backgrounds that we want. Some colors are going to be brighter than others, as you guys can see. Welcome guys, so welcome back to another review. So today we are reviewing these LED floodlights, but these are RGB. So it takes 15 watts of electricity and the input voltage is from 100 to 120 volts AC, 60Hz, RGB color. So beam angle 120 degrees and mercury content 0. So the battery is a 50,000 life expectancy from this, so that's very high. Alright, let's get unboxing. Let's go ahead and do this here. Let's pull a little magic, show you guys what you get inside. So, with this light kit, you get 2 RGB lights, you get a massive controller with many different colors on it, and different functions and features. You get a manual, you get a second controller for the second one, so you can change each one up different style. So this is the lights itself, as you can see here. You got 2 different ones, both have different plugs on their own. Heavy duty cables, so you know that they're going to be fully powered. You can actually mount this somewhere if you wanted to, or use it as a stand. So just like that, or you can mount it to the wall or wherever you would like. So it's IP66, 15 watts each. So let's go ahead and test them out. So this is automatic mode. We can go down here and show you guys the lights. Automatic will change the lights however you want. You got flashing mode, fading mode. So overall, this will help with our backdrop, make cool little effects in here. We can set it, colors up different places. We got jump mode. You can customize it however you want. With the remote, you got all these different colors. So let's go ahead, put it up to the ceiling, which is pretty awesome. So if you guys can see our ceiling, that we got lightning going on here. So as you guys can see, it's really awesome. Just the different things that you guys can do with this. These lights, really cool. And if you got a cloud ceiling like I do, you can really make it cool, really make it light up. So once we position these better, it's gonna look killer. It's gonna be really awesome. Overall, super happy with the colors and everything.